Hi everyone, I'm here to do some Heggerty exercises with you. Today we're going to begin with listening for beginning sounds. I'm going to say 2 words. I want you to repeat the words, and then if they begin with the same sound, you give me a thumbs up. If they do not begin with the same sound, give me a thumbs down. Poke, pin. Quiz, quit. Rain, deck. Sing, soap. Touch, fall. Vine, give. With, was. Yes, yak. Bee, zoo. Best, boy. Good. All right, now we're going to blend onset and rhyme. So get your choppers ready. I'm going to say the onset and the rhyme. You will repeat it, and then we'll blend the word together. Sock. Sock. Job. Job. Rod. Rod. Pop. Pop. Tot. Tot. Cub. Cub. Tuck. Tuck. Mud. Mud. Ugh. Hug. Gum. Good. All right. Now we are going to punch out ending sounds. So just like we did yesterday, we're going to hold our arm like this and we're going to slide it and punch out that ending sound. I will tell you the word and then we'll do it together. Here we go. The word is less. Less. The word is bat. Bat. The word is have. Have. Remember, some of those ending sounds we want to be careful not to say have, because V doesn't say V, it says V. So have. The word is fox. Fox. The word is size. Size. The word is job. Job. The word is need. Need. The word is cough. Cough. The word is leg. Leg. The word is fudge. Fudge. Good job. All right, now we are going to segment onset and rhyme, so get your choppers ready. I am going to say a word, you will repeat it, and then we will chop the onset and the rhyme. Win, in, dip, ip, kit, it, 6, six, rim, im, box, ox, caught, ought, rock, ock, job, job, dog, dog. Good job. Now we are going to substitute beginning sounds. So we'll get our fists ready. The word is dock. Change D to N. Knock. The word is knock. Change N to L. Lock. The word is lock. Change L to S. Sock. The word is sock. Change S to R. Rock. The word is rock. Change R to T. Talk. The word is buck. Change B to D. Duck. The word is duck. Change D to L. Luck. The word is luck. Change L to P. Puck. The word is puck. Change P to T. Tuck. The word is tuck. Change T to M. Muck. Good job. All right, now we are going to add phonemes. So we'll start with the rhyme, the ending vowel and consonant part, and we'll add a beginning sound. The word is in. Add F to the beginning. Fin. The word is in. Add P to the beginning. Pin. The word is in. Add T to the beginning. Tin. The word is in. Add W to the beginning. Win. The word is in. Add B to the beginning. Bin. All right, almost done. Now we're deleting phonemes. So we'll start with our word and we'll remove the beginning sound. The word is lap. Without L, the word is app. The word is hit. Without H, the word is it. The word is dog. Without D, the word is og. The word is nut. Without N, the word is ut. The word is beg. Without B, the word is egg. Good job. You did great.